We are focused on a complete renovation of Crispin Hall. It was built in 1963. It's the old science building, and we need it to be the next science building at Illinois College.
Yesterday I met a student over in Parker, and I had to say, well, the building I work in is being renovated, blah, 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 and I just don't feel like we made really an impressive physics connection. If we could have a designated area that looks like an engineering space, that would tremendously help, make a connection with that student and really solidify, hey, this is where you're going to be. Isn't that cool?
Being able to see themselves in an innovative and inspirational space is sort of the last link to allowing those students to envision themselves here, and I think that's what this opportunity with Crispin really allows us to do.
We've got to show them spaces that are in the 21st century. We've got to show them environments that help them justify, this time and energy and commitment to us. We have to be able to, show them what modern teaching and learning looks like.
It's extremely important that we embark on this renovation now, because we're in a moment of great challenge in terms of attracting good students to Illinois College. We need to show those students that it's worth it for them to come to Illinois College.